Facebook paid no corporate income tax last year after making more than $1 billion in profits. Between 2008 and 2011, 26 major corporations were able to pay no federal income taxes this year, despite making a combined $205 billion in profits. According to a new report from the Citizens for Tax Justice, Facebook joined this illustrious class last year, receiving $429 million in tax rebates, despite making more than $1 billion in profit. Earlier that year, the Facebook Inc. released its 10K annual financial report since going public last year. Hidden in the report's footnote is an amazing admission. Despite the $1.1 billion in profits earned in 2012, Facebook did not pay even a dime in federal or state income taxes. Instead, Facebook says it will receive a net tax refund totaling $429 million, big ones. Facebook's income tax refund stems from the company's use of a single tax break, the tax deduction for executive stock options. The tax break reduces Facebook's federal and state income tax by $1,033 million in 2012, including a refund earlier that year of taxes in $451 million. Facebook will be able to carry further tax rebates forward, according to CTJ, for the total of $3 billion in tax deductions. When profitable corporations can use stock option tax reductions to pay zero in corporate tax income for years on end, average taxpayers are forced to pick up the tax burden, says Carl Levin, Democrat from Michigan. When the issue arose as Facebook was preparing its initial public offering last year, this tax preference for corporations cost the U.S. about $2 billion in revenue per year. So big corporations like Facebook, and I like Facebook, I'm on Facebook, I have friends that own Facebook stock, I get it. They pay nothing in taxes. Yet, members of Congress, these Tea Party maniacs, want to decrease the corporate tax rate. Let's decrease the corporate tax rate. But in the process of decreasing the corporate tax rate and keeping all the loopholes in place, which is what the president has asked for, the president has asked for them to say, listen, we will make cuts to domestic spending. What we want in return is we want you to close these type of loopholes, which allow companies like Facebook to pay no taxes. It's not increasing the tax rate. It's closing a loophole that allows Facebook and 26 other major corporations to get away with murder on the American people. All of this is happening while we are sitting here, and next week, Friday, or this week, depending upon when you're watching this, we will see cuts to air traffic controllers, cuts to government workers, cuts to 70,000 kids on Head Start, cuts to almost 10,000 teachers. And the laundry list of cuts goes on and on and on and on. And you're telling me, folks out there who believe that sequestration and mandatory cuts is the way to go and lowering the corporate tax rates is the way to go, that this is a good thing when 26 major corporations, including the Facebook, is making billions in profits and paying nothing in taxes. Actually, they're getting a refund totaling $429 million. You tell that to the poor kid the 70,000 kids that are kicked off Head Start and see how they feel.